especially a lawyer, I know, alam ko, lawyering yan. And if you happen to be sitting as a natural, maghanap talaga ng tulong yan sa'yo. Paano ba to? But kung sabihin niya, siya mismo maglapit, magbulong-bulong dito, walang gumagawa sa akin yan sa kabinete. If at all, ang ano sa akin si ES. Yan yung maglapit na magsabi, ito yung problema, ito yung solusyon. Sabi niya, patayin lang natin. Sabi, sige, utos mong kaya yan. Biro lang yan.
So, sir,
If at all, kung may magbulong sa akin, may problema si ES lang.
So yung ginawa po ni Secretary Panelo, meeting with the family of Sanchez, referring their application for executive clemency to the Board of Pardons and Parole, you consider that as lawyering or doing that